Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing the motherboard of the Acer Aspire C24. In this video, we'll walk you through each step of the repair process, ensuring you have the knowledge and confidence to tackle this task. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a precision screwdriver set, thermal paste, an ESD strap to prevent static damage, a spudger or plastic opening tool, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Having these tools on hand will make the process smoother. Begin by turning off your Acer Aspire C24 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, using your precision screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Make sure to keep track of these screws, as they can vary in size. It's a good idea to place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or components. After the back panel is off, you'll have access to the internal components of the laptop. Now, let's focus on the motherboard itself. If you notice any signs of damage, such as burnt components or corrosion, this could indicate a need for repair or replacement. Before proceeding, remember that if you're unsure about diagnosing the issue, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. It's a great way to ensure you're on the right track without any pressure. Next, gently disconnect any cables attached to the motherboard. Be cautious here, as these connectors can be fragile. Use your fingers or a spudger to carefully detach them. Once everything is disconnected, locate the screws securing the motherboard in place and remove them using your precision screwdriver. With the screws out, you can lift the motherboard from the casing. Make sure to handle it by the edges to avoid touching any sensitive components. If you plan to clean the motherboard or replace thermal paste, use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris from the components and heatsinks. A clean surface is essential for effective cooling and performance. After cleaning, if you need to replace any parts or apply new thermal paste, now is the time. Apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU and GPU, this will help with heat dissipation. If you're not equipped to do this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about traveling or making calls. Once everything is clean and any necessary repairs are made, carefully place the motherboard back into its original position. Reconnect all cables and secure the motherboard with screws. It's important to ensure that everything is properly connected to avoid any issues after reassembly. Now, before reattaching the back panel, double-check everything. Ensure that all screws are tightened, and all cables are securely connected. If you need a quote before proceeding with any repairs, just let us know. Our process is designed to be as transparent and hassle-free as possible. Finally, reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Power on your Acer Aspire C24 and check if everything is functioning properly. If you continue to experience issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Thank you for following this guide on repairing the Acer Aspire C24. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.